Best food with low glycemic index. It is advisable to use headphones so you can listen each and every words and sentences very carefully. Listen this podcast till end, you may learn some new things. Glycemic index, GI, is the system of assigning number to a food that gives you a vivid idea about how much does that food increases blood sugar level in our body. Carbohydrates in high GI foods break down very swiftly in our body and result in brisk rise in blood sugar level. High GI scores around 70 or above on the scale. High GI foods include white bread, 71, white rice, 89, instant oatmeal, 83, cereals, 76. Where high carbohydrate diet can be dreadful for a diabetic patient, on the other hand, diet with low GI improves blood sugar level in people suffering from type 2 diabetes. Low GI food scores below 55 on the scale. When a healthy person takes low glycemic foods, it reduces blood sugar level in the individual. Although low glycemic index diet is recommended to people so that they could have healthy carbohydrate-containing food to regulate blood sugar level in their body, this diet has an additional benefit of weight loss and prevent other diseases caused by obesity, like diabetes. If you are looking for some low GI foods with their glycemic index and uses, then you can find them below. 1. Kidney beans. 24 kidney beans are good source of protein and fibers, which make them a fit choice for food for a weight loss diet. They also contain slow-release carbs, which are highly responsible for maintenance of blood sugar level. When compared to other low GI foods, kidney beans were found to be more efficient than other in controlling the blood sugar level. 2. Chickpeas, 28 with score 28 in the scale of glycemic index. Along with being good regulators of blood sugar level, chickpeas are also rich source of protein and fibers, which make them suitable for weight loss as well. Chickpeas is loaded with variety of key nutrients like potassium, calcium and folate. It can also be used as substitute for some high GI proteins such as white rice. 3. Lentils. 32 lentils are loaded with complex carbohydrates. With these complex carbohydrates, lentils can help you to control your appetite, cholesterol level, blood glucose level, and reduce your risk of getting type 2 diabetes. 4. Milk. 37 to 39. It has always remained debatable if milk is a low GI food or not due to sugar content present in milk. We are well aware of the fact that sugar converts in carbohydrate, and if there is sugar already present in the milk, how it can be low glycemic food. The sugar, lactose, that is present in milk is natural sugar. A natural sugar comprises health-promoting nutrients like potassium, protein, and calcium. Milk is a good choice to include in high glycemic diet. Instead of whole milk, use non-fat or low-fat milk for better health. 5. Oats. 55 oats contain a type of fiber called beta-glucan that is really beneficial for health benefits. Oats are found in these different forms: slow-cooked, rolled, oats. Oat groats are flattened and steamed to create flakes. Steel-cut, Irish, oats. These oats take much time to cook and are slightly larger in size than rolled oats. Quick, instant or microwavable, oats. These oats groats are steamed for much longer period to cook them quickly in water. These oats are further rolled into thinner pieces to cook more quickly. This complete process eventually increases their glycemic index. Porridge. Steamed and ground oat groats are made into meat-like texture. Best type of oats for type 2 diabetic patient is steel-cut oats. Rolled oats are preferred to be much better than instant or microwavable oats. When on low GI diet, you don't need to count your calories. You simply have substitute high GI foods with low GI food alternatives. Other foods that you can eat on the low GI diet: vegetables, cauliflower, broccoli, carrots, and more. Noodles and pasta. Pasta, rice noodles, soba noodles, vermicelli noodles. Rice, brown, basmati and long grain. Dairy and dairy replacement: yogurt, cheese, soy milk, almond milk, coconut milk. Starchy vegetables: corn, yams, winter squash. Breakfast cereals: barn flakes, steel-cut oats. Bread: whole grain, multi-grain, sourdough, multi-grain, whole grain. Grains, barley, quinoa, buckwheat. Fruits, apricots, peaches, plums, pears, kiwis, tomatoes, apples, and more. There are certain foods that contain very less or no amount of carbs. These food items can also be included in low GI diet. Examples of such foods are nuts, cashews, walnuts, almonds, macadamia nuts, and pistachios. Herbs and spices, dill, basil, salt, pepper, and garlic. Fish and seafood, tuna, salmon, trout, and prawns. Fats and oils, butter, avocado, and olive oil. Other animal products, lamb, pork, beef, and more. Foods that are part of your routine and have high glycemic index need to be substituted by low GI food. Their high GI foods are dairy products, oat milk and rice milk. Rice, arborio, jasmine, medium grain white. Bread, bagels, non-white bread and more. Fruit, watermelon. Cakes and other sweets, cupcakes, cookies, waffles and more. Savory snacks, rice cakes, corn chips, corn thins, and more. Breakfast cereals, Fruit Loops, instant oats and more. Low GI snacks to eat. A piece of fruit with nut butter. Greek yogurt. Lentil soup. Half-boiled egg. Unsweetened chia pudding with berries. Carrot sticks. Berries with sunflower seeds. Factors that influence GI score of food are sugar present in the fruit when breaks down, ripens the fruit and result in enhancement of GI score. GI score of a meal can be lowered by using acidic seasoning such as lemon. While cooking food, carbohydrates break down and increase the GI score in the meal. When carbohydrates are processed, they tend to have high GI score. To have a healthy and long life diet is the utmost thing we need to take care of. Low GI foods are having their own benefits, but never compromise on your balanced diet. This is only one knowledge sharing effort from our side. It is advisable to take doctor's advice before use it. Thank you.